So right now, many of us are worried about money, as we should be, because lots of people are losing their jobs, many people are soon to be unemployed, and many businesses have lost at least 70% of their revenue streams. So it's safe to say that this pandemic has had a negative impact on the global economy. And the reality is that, especially in Africa, things are going to get much worse before they get better. So it's important for us to start thinking intentionally and creatively about how to build new revenue streams, especially revenue streams that we can create from the comfort of our own homes. Now, one of the ways that you can do this is by becoming a commercially successful author. Two things I love about the book writing business. One, I'm lazy, so sweet passive income. I do the hard work once and I create consistent cash flows. Now, I sold over 30,000 books with the Smart Money Woman and the Smart Money Tribe, and I want to teach you how to do this. The second thing I love about the book writing business is you can leverage it to create new income streams. For example, I've used it to get paid speaking engagements. I've used it to create a 13-episode TV series, online course, and many more things. Now, notice that I didn't say build a new revenue stream by becoming a writer, because you can write a book and people don't care because they don't like the content, or you can write a book and publish it but nobody buys it and it's not commercially successful, or you don't sell enough copies, because there's a method to the madness. So I created the author coaching program for people who want to learn how to conceptualize their idea, who want to get a framework for building the content and the structure for their book, who want to learn strategies that can help them with sales, marketing, distribution for books in Africa, who want to learn about the self-publishing business, who want to set performance goals for book writing, for book sales, and for profit margins. I'm super excited about it. Please go to the link in my bio and register. It will be video classes, virtual coaching calls from me, and you'll basically be learning from my 4 years experience of becoming a commercially successful author. Sign up.